how you feel inside and it reflects in your eyes. Hi, I'm Pooja. I'm a freelance makeup artist and today I'm going to be teaching you a small trick on how you can create a difference in your eye makeup by doing the reverse Smokey way. You're watching Foxy. Let's get started. So let's begin with the reverse smoky eye today. It's actually something which is very easy to achieve, yet creates a lot of difference in your face. So if you have different wedding functions to attend, this is one of the looks that you can experiment on one of the days of the wedding function. In the reverse smoky, the entire drama happens on the lower lash line. So I'm going to begin with concealing. My base is already set and I'm going to begin with concealing my eyes. You can use an eye primer, but I am using the concealer palette from Maybelline. It's the Master Camouflage. Using the brush from the small foundation brush from London Pride. I'm just going to go in with the concealer and apply it on my upper lid. And then using my finger, I'm going to blend this all out. I'm going to be setting the concealer with the loose powder from LA Girl. Just taking this eyeshadow brush from Favours Canada and setting it by putting it all over my lid. I'm going to begin with a little highlighter on my brow bone, and the color that I'm using is this pearly white color. This palette is from Makeup Revolution. It is the Fortune Favor, the Brave palette. So this pearly white color, I'm just taking a little bit on my eyeshadow brush and I'll be just going under my brow bone. So starting from the arch and taking it down. Similarly on the other eye. Starting from the arch and taking down. Now whatever is left, I'm going to do it in the inner corner of the eye. It's just makes the eye look a little bit bigger. Next, I'm using this peachy shade from the same palette. I'm going to be using it with my fingers to apply it generously on the eyelid. Also, it's not going to create too much of a color on the eyelid because again the focus is on the lower lash line. So we're going to go very minimalistic on the eyelid. Just to add a little color, this peachy color will go very well with our skin tones. I'm keeping it very soft because I want to show a visible difference in terms of the lower lash line. Also, if you want to go a little bold with this look, so you can use a shimmery eyeshadow on the upper lid. Next, I'm going in with this Kajal, Magique from L'Oreal. So I'm applying it, as you can see, I'm applying it very generously on my lower lash line. Now, I would be going in with the eyeshadow brush from Favours Canada. And I'm just going to be dabbing it between a dark brown and a black color and just removing the excess. I'm going to be now using this brush to smudge out the liner, the kajal. And I'm pulling it slightly upward like a reverse eyeliner. Just extending it a little outside on both the sides. Just to make sure in case you have any problem in terms of the proportion, you can just use a little bit of foundation and you can just go under the eye to clean that and make it look more even. This instantly makes the eyes look very big. Next, I'm going in with the eyelash curler from Gubb. Next, I will be using this mascara from Colorbar. This is the 30-Day Growth Booster Mascara. Removing the excess to avoid any clumping on the eyelashes. I will be applying it in the zigzag motion. In case you want more volume in your eyelashes, you can wait for another 5 minutes and do a second coat of mascara. And this brings us to the end of the tutorial. I hope you like this look and you will definitely try it out. It's actually a very fun look. You can try for any of your wedding functions or like a nice evening out with friends. It's something trendy, something very, very bold. You can pair it up with a nice lip color to kind of be more on spot. Thank you so much for watching this. For more such content, log on to Foxy. Stay fab, stay foxy.